Alright, hello there. My name is Mel Lancaster. I'm going to be demonstrating this Korg Minilouge for you today. The Korg Minilouge is a polyphonic analog synthesizer, as it says here, and it was first introduced to the public in 2016. We're going to just go ahead and start off with showing you, this is the master gain knob, or master volume. Just go ahead and change this. And then also this is the tempo. Can't really hear that. Let's see, let's try this again. It's tempo. We also have, let's try this tempo thing again. Just want to demonstrate that for you real quick. We also have this octave switch here, which essentially, once you release, it will, you just have to like bring your finger off the key for it to work. Because if you just click it and hold it, it's not going to work. But once you release the key, then that's when it's going to go ahead and change the octave. And that's just kind of across the whole keyboard. This right here is like a little whammy board thing, which is pretty cool. Super fun. We also have individual octave sections for the VCO 1 and 2. So we can change the octaves individually. So we've got VCO 1 and VCO 2 here. I'm going to go ahead and sync those and change the wave pattern. I think I'm actually going to go back to the triangle. We've got, by the way, we've got sawtooth, triangle, and square patterns here. And just a whole lot of fun. We can also change the shape of the waveform manually here. This is the pitch envelope generator. So this shapes the pitch. And this here basically cross modifies the sound. We also have the mixer for each section. So if we want a little bit less of this, we can turn that down. If we want a little bit more of that, we can turn it up. Less of this, more of that. I think you get the point here. This is the filter cutoff, so this is responsible for the high-end filter. So if we turn it down, we're not going to get any of that high end. So you can just decide where you want it. Here's the resonance knob. It's going to kind of give a little bit of that effect. And here's the envelope generator. And you can see here, it shows how much that sound is being modified here. Super cool. Still learning about these here. not too familiar with these particular settings down here. Those are a little advanced for me personally, but I am learning. It's attack, decay, sustain, and release. So this is basically the amp envelope generator. This is responsible for the overall sound of each VCO. Got the generator. Pretty cool. The rate and intensity knobs are pretty cool. This is like the LFO shaper. So, and we can decide if we want to change the pitch or the shape. Pretty cool. Okay, and then